Yeah, I think
Just
how you
like-
would do it.
Yeah, it's got the organizers where you can put your shoes in there, you can hang it up and use it for a garment bag, your choice. Somebody give me a start, we wanna sell it. Anybody. Get organized. You don't have room for your shoes, those winter shoes, put them in there, organize them and slide them under the bed or somebody else's bed. Anybody.
Yeah. Yeah, you just put them in there.
What shoe?
Yeah.
Somebody else's bed.
I bid $2. Now 3. Who'll bid them at 3? 2. Now 3. Do I hear 250? Don't be shy. Do I hear 250? Anybody at 250? We're gonna sell it. Don't miss this one. $2 going once, twice sold. $2 to 358. That's all I'm gonna say. So it's probably for the lighter weight than me. All right, probably like Jawanda or Emily, somebody small. All right, somebody give me a start on the little stool. It's great to carry along if you take your child on a picnic, a ball game. Don't sit on it, Ricky, please. And you're going out fishing somewhere, the little child can carry this along and feel like a big child. Somebody give me a start, please.
He's bound to determine he's gonna say.
Anybody? I'm bid $1 now 2. Who'll bid me 2? 1 now 2. I hope y'all looking at this. 1 now 2. 1 now 2.
I'll sit on it after somebody buys it.
I cannot let it go for $1.
I go to.
I'm bid 2. Now 3. Who'll bid them at 3? 2 now 3. Who'll bid them at 3?
It's
You
neat.
know what? I'm gonna sell it to you, $2, but it sells for a minimum we could find